So guys, I am unboxing this greeting card kit with these beautiful artists, and let's see what ideas they throw at us, and let me see, if I've made a good kit. So first of all, let's unbox this. I'll just introduce you guys to what all is in the kit so that you guys can make the most of it. So first of all, this is your instruction manual, which really has nothing. So you are free to use your own ideas and make your own thing out of it. So let's start. These are your metallic brush pens for calligraphy. These are some glitters for Christmas. Christmas is just incomplete without glitter, so I had to add glitters to it. And these are your Christmas card greeting borders. So I think you guys can have some fun with this. And these are greeting cards in 4 different colors with envelopes. So I think you can just see what I am just too excited to see what these guys do with it. And these are the Christmas stickers. Kits are very friendly for kids, any age group. It's just a fun family activity. You guys enjoy this. So I'm just leaving the stage to these 3 beautiful artists, and let's see what they make out of it. All right.
I will take red. I will take the brown.
So I'm taking green.
This one. And because I love glitter, so I will take glitter. Let me start with the border stickers.
So I am going to start with the holiday stickers. And I'm loving the snowman as well. So I'm going to use this.
I will make my Christmas tree of the little glitter fun. Let's do this. Let's make a star first.
And I'm sure you will enjoy making this.
So Gitanjali, how are you using the borders?
I guess these are a bit tricky, but the only thing is you just have to place it over. Do not stick suddenly. Just let them settle first, and then you can paste them over. So I'm just going to put it in line. I'm not pressing them at first. I'll just let them settle, and now I'm going to give it a slight touch.
Awesome. What is Megha up to? Let's check her table out. We are making some Christmas tree, I guess.
Christmas trees, some glitter fun, because Christmas is all about glitters and I love them. And it's pretty simple, easy to use.
Shweta ma'am, what are you doing?
Christmas is all about being merry and happy. Let's see what I write.
Ma'am, show us the cover first.
Yeah, sure. This is the cover I made.
It's looking very pretty. So we have just used the stickers to make this cover.
Yeah. And I'm going to write with these brush pens
Alright.
inside.
Okay.
The next thing I'm gonna add is the Christmas tree.
Alright.
Taking it from here. And some bells too. Let's see what can we add other than this. I'll go with a happy holidays sticker. There are a lot of elements in the card, in the sticker sheet that you can add.
So guys, do you also know that Gitanjali is a brilliant quilling artist? Do you have something in quilling that you would like to add to this?
Definitely, I would love to add. There are a lot of things that can be created with quilling, and I'll definitely add them at a later stage. You can make a wreath, you can make gifts, you can make a Christmas tree. A lot of things can be added, but currently I'll just use this kit, and I think this kit already has a lot of things, so there is nothing as such that you will need other than that.
Okay, and Shweta ma'am, she is a calligrapher, so we can see, you know, the kind of brilliance she adds to her cards with her calligraphy skills. And do you guys also know that Megha and Shweta ma'am have a special product collection with us? They both are good at watercolors and they have tried and tested and designed some products for us. So do check that out at the website, and you can connect with them, ask them for a special code. They have a special code where you
Discount
might
codes.
get some discounts on this.
So I think I've done, and as you can see, this is the front, and when you open it, there are some wishes for Christmas. You can add any note of your choice.
Mine is also ready.
Oh, this looks great.
I'm all about a little glitters.
Awesome.
And
Oh,
I'm done as well, finally.
Oh, Gitanjali, this looks so good.
Thank you.
That
I
looks
love
pretty.
how you use the borders.
Thank you. The glitters look really pretty.
Thank you. Oh my god, I really
And
love
I
this one.
Yeah.
Look
And
at
I'll
this.
keep this space empty for you to add a quote of your by yourself, and you can add your name or to whom you're sending. And I think that's all.
I hope you guys enjoy these. It's
Hey,
super
hey,
fun.
Wait. We also need to do the envelopes.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Definitely.
Yes, because a greeting is best.
Incomplete without an envelope.
It's the best when it's unboxed. So
Yeah.
let's
Let's do
add
the
some
envelopes
extra
as
oomph
well.
to that.
I guess I'll decorate the envelopes with red, as I have already used white a lot here.
Yeah, I will also use a little bit of red.
Same even.
And I will use my Santa Claus as well.
Yeah. I would like to use a reindeer.
I'm definitely loving these border stickers. Cannot
And I
make
need-
anything without them.
Yeah.
Yeah, what ones?
The heart ones. No. You can just peel off and give it to me. So I could paste it over here.
Easy to peel.
Oh, this is amazing. This looks pretty cool.
I will have some stars.
And my envelopes is ready too. Little simple. Just the way I like it. So you definitely have enough stickers to make a lot of cards out of these. And this is mine.
So guys, these people are really fast. They've already made I think all of it, and it just took them not more than 15 minutes.
So this is my
This
envelope.
is mine.
Merrier and happier.
What is Megha doing? Awesome.
My date is with Santa Claus on that day.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
He's a night date to go on
So-
with. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
To get gifts.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would like to put my card inside and finally close it with this
a-
stick-on,
Yeah.
the silver color. Just paste it over here. And I think I would like to paste one sticker at the right hand side corner as well. So I would like to pick up a Christmas tree.
I think that's a great idea. I'll
Yeah.
decorate the side as
So
well.
I So this is the envelope as you see, and I hope you
Awesome.
like it.
I'm also inspired by that.
Smells looking pretty. And actually, there are a lot of stickers.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this set has, I think, around 50
stickers.
60 stickers.
So you guys see, there are so many stickers still. So you can
Yeah.
still
You
decorate
can make multiple cards.
Yeah, and also you can make more cards
more cards.
at home as well. And
Yeah.
if you want to order the cards separately, you can definitely get in touch with us. It's already available on the website.
Yeah.
And awesome, guys. Thank you so much for doing this for us. And after this video, we are going to shoot individual videos with all of them where they are going to, use their own specific styles and make some greetings for us in their own unique, their own unique art forms like florals, like paintings, and then she's always there for quilling. So you guys can, just get in touch with them, DM them, connect with them, follow them for sure, and just keep yourself updated with new ideas on these greetings. Should we wrap it up, or do you guys want to make some more?
We won't mind.
But we thoroughly enjoyed making this.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, I'll keep sharing more ideas from these beautiful women over here, and that's it for now. Say hey to Art.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.